So you want to make some cookies that look like this? It's very easy. Just watch. Okay, guys, so tonight I am going to do the tasty chocolate chip chewy cookie, or chewy chocolate chip cookie. Tonight I have my daughter, my grown teenager here. I don't know how this is going to work with her helping. Usually it's a disaster. So, but she wants to help. I have half a cup of regular sugar and 3/4 a cup of light brown sugar. Now I need to add my butter, and it needs to be melted. So go ahead and melt the butter on the stove for me, please. I need half a cup. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and pour half a cup of melted butter. You didn't have to do that. They know what half a cup of melted butter. All you need is a half a cup of melted butter, and that's 1 stick of butter melted. And I'm going to go ahead and, well, since they had the whisk, they whisk the sugar and butter up. I'm going to use the whisk. 1 egg. And how much vanilla? You got your phone on?
Yeah, 1 teaspoon.
Okay, 1 teaspoon.
That's 1 teaspoon, you guys.
Look, this is my channel, not yours.
Make your own.
That's whipped up really good. Good. Okay. So this is about what it looked like in the video.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much flour?
1 1/4 all-purpose.
Okay. 1 1/4 cups. I'm gonna sift it. All the dry ingredients. Okay. So next is the flour. And how much flour? 1 1/4. 1 1/4 cup. That's 1 cup. And I need 1/4 cup.
Yep.
All right, smart mouth. How much, let's see, how much salt?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of salt. Let me see if this is staying right here because I need to get my salt. Make sure you have the camera down there.
So right now you guys are looking at flour.
Where's my oven?
And you are
How much
now
baking soda?
half a teaspoon. Baking soda. And you are now tuned in on Fancy Sweet Treats.
Okay, how much salt again?
1 teaspoon.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt.
And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's channel.
1 teaspoon of salt. How much baking soda?
Half a teaspoon.
Any other dry ingredients?
Nope.
So I'm going to go ahead and sift the 1/4 cup of flour, the salt, and the baking soda. Huh? Yeah, the sugar and the butter is already mixed. Okay, so just stir this. So next you just stir in the flour, the salt, and the baking soda, and don't over stir. You got the camera down here?
Yep.
Okay. So at this point, I am going to get my chocolate chips because I still have a little flour here.
You can't tell me that doesn't look good already.
Okay, so I have semi-sweet chunks, and this is Toll House. I purchased these from Walmart.
AKA Wally World.
Oh, I think I put too much.
Yum.
Oh, that's gonna be too much. 4 ounces.
She's asking for diabetes.
I'm not asking for diabetes. Look, little girl. Okay. So it's starting to look pretty good here. I need dark chocolate. So Walmart didn't have any dark chocolate chunks. So I stopped at Trader Joe's because I had to get some strawberries anyways from Trader Joe's. So I stopped at Trader Joe's and I got Trader Joe's Fair Trade Organic. And I'm just going to beat this block into chunks. So let's see. It may already come into squares or something. Let's take a look at this.
It reminds me of the
So
Willy
it
Wonka chocolate bar.
So it looks like this.
Where's the golden ticket?
Please stop.
Comment down below if I should help out in the kitchen more often.
No, I don't think so. I think this is your first and last time. I'm just going to add a few pieces.
Yeah.
Since I already have.
Chocolate. You have a lot of chocolate in there. I wonder what it's going to taste like. I guess this recipe is like for all you chocolate lovers out there.
Chocolate chip lovers.
Yeah.
So this cookie dough is looking pretty good. I actually like how it's forming up. Can you get closer down
That
in
looks
the butter?
really good.
Can you? Yeah, I really like how this chocolate chip cookie dough is looking. Okay guys, so now I need to cover this up and leave in the refrigerator for 30 minutes like the recipe request. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. Bye. Okay guys, so after your cookies come out the oven and sit on the rack, they should be looking something like this. And these are really, really good. This is a good recipe. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye. And don't forget to tell your friends about my channel. Thank you.